Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, beta? Tell me in your chat box. मेरा वहाँ पे आईडी एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा था. मेरा वहाँ पे आईडी एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा था. यहाँ पे हो गया. उनका वहाँ पे हो गया. Okay. How are you all, beta? Okay, beta. Beta, all of you, first of all of you turn off your cameras. मुझे बार बार नहीं कहना पड़े. Turn off your mics. Okay. कब खत्म होगी क्लास? मेरी क्लास 10:35 पे. 10:35. Okay, beta. Uh, once again, Assalamu alaikum. And today's lecture is lecture 18, and our chapter's name is An Introduction to Our World. Is it clear? An introduction to our world. So, today's topic is the important cities of our world. Is it clear? The important cities of our world. So, open your books, and you have a pen or pencil with you, or a notebook with you, so you can underline the important lines. And this topic is on page 32. Is it clear? This topic is on page 32, right? All of you turn off your cameras, please. Okay, let's start. So, first city is New York, and you can see that this is a beautiful picture of the beautiful buildings of New York City, and in which country this city is? Anyone who can tell me? Tell me in your chat box. Okay. Sheroz, Saad, Rida, beta, all of you, you should answer the questions very attentively. And Ali is here, Asia, Iman, Halima, Kainat. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Ali. But I am asking, you, you written that Paris and then London. Where is Paris and where is London, beta? I'm asking about New York City. Yes, Sheroz, well done, well done. Yes, yes, Kainat, very good. This is the city of United States, or you can say US, United States of America. So, first of all, you have to underline the first two lines. New York City is beta capital of New York State, as I told you in US. So it is one of the most important city of United States of America, and it is a beautiful city as well. You can see the beautiful pictures of New York City. Yes, Halima, you are right. Okay. Okay, look at the slide. The culture, traditions, and natural beauty of New York City make it a great state. Is it clear? So, New York City is the capital of capital of New York State in the US, United States of America. So, underline these lines. It is one of the most important commercial, financial, and cultural center of the world. So, it is divided into five boroughs or divisions, you can say divisions, uh, so which developed irregularly which developed irregularly during the early days of European settlement in the continent. So the most famous of these divisions are and one of the most famous division is Manhattan. Is it clear? Which is the smallest in the area but remains the business center of the city. Is it clear? So it's you can say that it is divided into how many parts it is divided, or you can say how many divisions are there. Tell me in your chat box. यस, बेटा क्या मतलब है डिवियंस का? जल्दी से बताइए. यस, 5. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग? मिस, आई कांट जॉइन द. बेटा आयशा, turn off your device and once again try to join the class. Okay, very good. Iman and Muhammad Ali Shairoz, well done. What is the meaning of the of division? What is the meaning of division? यानी उन उस शहर को, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी को 5 डिवीजन्स में, या उनकी अपनी लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं वहाँ पर उसको, क्योंकि हर जगह का नाम अलग है, तो वहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या बोला इसको? बोरोज. क्या मतलब है इसका? हमारे यहाँ डिवीजन बोलते हैं. क्या होते हैं डिवीजन? इट मीन्स जैसे हमारे हमारे यहाँ किसी बड़े शहर को ज़िलों में तकसीम, किसी बड़े एरिया को ज़िलों में तकसीम कर. यस, वेरी गुड मोहम्मद अली, वेल डन, वेल डन. इस तरह किसी एरिया को डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है? यस, वेरी गुड. डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जैसे. इज, वेल डन मोहम्मद अली एंड शेरोज, वेल डन. सो जैसे हमारे यहाँ ज़िले हैं, उर्दू में उसे ज़िला बोलते हैं या डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोलते हैं. तो इससे क्या होता है कि एरियाज़ को मैनेज करना, यस हलीमा, वेल डन, एरियाज़ को मैनेज करना आसान हो जाता है. उनको डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में. तो इसका जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट यू कैन से वो है मैनहट्टन. इज इट क्लियर? यस रिदा, वेल डन. But I want to know the meaning of the boroughs. So it means, in our language, in our country, it means districts. It means districts. So the as I told you that the important district of as I told you that the important district of the New York City is very small, but it is the very important business place or business center of the trade, and it is the Manhattan. Is it clear? So the cultural traditions and natural beauty of New York make it great state mean riyasat country not you can say country because it is the capital of New York State. So I told you that there are um, that the United States of America consists of almost 50 states, or you can say 52 states. So it is one of the great state. But its popularity came after it established itself as an economic powerhouse. Is it clear? So कब ये पॉपुलर हुआ ज़्यादा, जब यहाँ पर इसको इकोनॉमिक पावर हाउस बना दिया गया. पावर हाउस मीन not physically a powerhouse, but it is a economically strong area, economically strong city, because all type of the trade, fashion, fashion related, you can say brands and all these things. And कैसे ये बना टुडे न्यूयॉर्क सिटी इज द कैपिटल ऑफ banking, finance, fashion, live theater, and broadcasting. It means broadcasting means communication, ways of communication like TV channels. Is it clear? Live theater mean Live theater means where you can see the any type of drama, any type of healthy activities, which have any type of moral lesson, or the classical dramas are held there. It is called live theater. इज इट क्लियर? थिएटर का मतलब क्लियर है ना आपके जहनों में क्या है, जहाँ पर लाइव शोज किए जाते हैं. ठीक है. बट बेसिकली थिएटर का जब जिक्र आता है तो वहाँ पर ड्रामाज वगैरह का जिक्र आता है. एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीन्स ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ द चैनल्स. इट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, all these business departments. Is it clear? So that's why it is called a powerhouse, economic powerhouse. Is it clear? So the uh, um, this point is clear in your minds. So New York City is a very beautiful city, and it is the capital of New York State as well. So all the culture and traditions and natural beauty of New York makes it great state. But it became popular when it started to become the economic powerhouse. It means it is very strong economic center of the country. And why it is very strong, economically strong? Because the banking, the finance activities, and fashion designing, and all activities about the fashion shows and all things, live theater and broadcasting, these are all the main it is the main center of all these activities. So the original World Trade Center was a large complex of 7 buildings in the financial district of Lower Manhattan. Is it clear? So World Trade Center was a, इज इट क्लियर? ये इसमें was का वर्ड आया है, is का वर्ड नहीं आया. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज वहाँ पर था, ये 2 बिल्डिंग्स थी, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर की बिल्डिंग्स थी हमेशा से, जिसकी वजह से ये एक फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट था. यानी अगर 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट थे तो उसमें से मैनहट्टन जो था मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, फाइनेंशियली मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ द न्यूयॉर्क, बिकॉज देयर वॉज trade world trade center. It is called, these two buildings were called world trade center. Is it clear? So क्या था कि was a large complex of 7 buildings. उसके अंदर या वहाँ पर इस तरह की 7 बिल्डिंग्स थी. एंड न्यूयॉर्क इट ओपनड ऑन April 4, एंड इट स्टार्टेड on April 4th, 1973, and was destroyed in 2001 during the September 11 attack. Why it was destroyed in 2001? Anyone can tell me? Anyone can tell me why the World Trade Center was destroyed? Hurry up, better tell me your answers in chat box. The World Trade Center started on 4th April 1973, but it destroyed through in 11 September 2001. Yes, yes. Well done, Iman. Well done, Aisha. Well done, Aisha. Aisha, now you can hear me properly. Beta, I said that you have to check your device and you should rejoin the class. अगर कभी ऐसा हो कि आपको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही, बिकॉज जब मैं क्लास ले रही होती हूँ तो मुझे टाइप करने का टाइम नहीं होता, उस टाइम मैं टाइप नहीं कर सकती साथ में। तो आप लोगों को चाहिए कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, अगर मेरी तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर सबको प्रॉब्लम शो होगी। अदरवाइज आपको चाहिए कि आप दोबारा से क्लास को ज्वाइन करें, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो दोबारा से क्लास को ज्वाइन करें। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ऑल यू नो अबाउट द 9/11 अटैक? Yes, Kainat, New York City was just not New York City, but just only these two buildings, which is called World Trade Center. World Trade Center was destroyed during the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2000, after being struck by two hijacked commercial airliners or the planes. Well done. Well done. Well done, Kainat, Sheroz, Aisha, and Muhammad Ali. All of you. Shabash. Very good. Okay, so all you know about the attack, which is that's why 11th every year 11 September is called when we discuss about the World Trade Center, we said that the 9/11 incident. Is it clear? So date was it was the month of September. That's why it is called 9, and date was 11, and year was 2001. So it was being struck by the two hijacked planes, and it was a terrorist attack, and it was destroyed in 2001. So it is the or it is all about the New York. So New York City is also very famous for its being a trade center, and the it is also famous because the sh- ships entering the New York harbor, one of the most important in the world, are welcomed, are warmly welcomed, being welcomed, and it is also you can view the beautiful Statue of Liberty. So, although many ships are now diverted to nearby harbor of New Jersey, so the city is famous for its, as I told you, financial institutions such as those situated on the different streets like Wall Streets, educational institutions such as Columbia University is very important, and New York University. Underline these lines. These lines are in your book on page number 32. First of all, you have to underline the first two lines. Centers of the world. New York City is the capital of till the world. Third line, and then you have to underline the twin towers of World Trade Center. In this is also in the first paragraph. Were situated in Manhattan, and all the history of the suicide bombers uh, is there. So you can underline these lines like killing the till killing nearly 3,000 people. Oh, I forgot that in these attacks, almost 3,000 people were killed in the suicide bombers attack in on the World Trade Center. Is it clear? So next you have to underline the first line of last paragraph, the ships entering till the Statue of Liberty, and then in the end of the paragraph you have to underline the names of the universities like Columbia University and New York University, and the museums such as the Museum of Modern Arts, and this museum also attracts many tourists and students and immigrants and business travelers every year. It is one of the largest city in the world with the population of nearly 19 millions. Is it clear? It is the largest city in the world, and its population is nearly 19 millions. Underline all these lines. Now, this is a beautiful picture of uh, London city, and where the London is situated. Okay, tell me in your chat box. Yes, Muhammad Ali, Halima, Aisha in England, yeah, or you can say UK, United Kingdom. Well done, Rida. Okay. So this is the beautiful view, or you can say a picture of the city, London city, and which is located in the UK. Very good. Yes, very beautiful picture. Okay. Now we will discuss about the London city, and you can see that London, the capital of England, and the you can say the United Kingdom, UK, is our 21st century city with history stretching back to the Roman times. And at its center stand the imposing Houses of Parliament, and then the iconic Big Ben clock tower. It is called a clock tower, and it is a very famous tower, and which is called a tower. और इस टावर को पूरे शहर में से कहीं से भी खड़े हों तो ये क्लॉक टावर दिखाई देता है. Is it clear? And there are many other things, and especially यहाँ पर जो हमने पूरा व्यू देखा इसमें क्या है, यहाँ पर रिवर थेम्स है. इट इज क्लियर, रिवर थेम्स है. इज इट क्लियर? So two important buildings are there, and there are other many famous buildings, and अगर आप इसका दोबारा से एक रिव्यू लें तो ये देखें, ये जो इसका दरिया है ये पूरे शहर में आपको मुख्तलिफ बिल्डिंग्स के साथ इसकी पिक्चर्स मिलेंगी. और ये रिवर टेम्स जो है ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर. एंड सेकंड थिंग विच इज़ वेरी फेमस, द क्लॉक टावर. इज इट क्लियर? एंड it is a close view of clock tower. Is it clear? So it is on your in your book on page number 33. So London is the capital of Great Britain. Is it clear? Also known, as I told you, as the United Kingdom or UK. So this city was built on the River Thames. by the Roman conquerors. When the Roman conquerors came there, so they built this beautiful city on the river Thames. Is it clear? So you can see that in short word, you can say that London is the capital of Great Britain. The city built on the river Thames by the Roman conquerors during the first century. Is it clear? During the first century, they built it, and first of all, in the earlier name of, or you can say the former name of London was the Londinium. Is it clear? Its old name was Londinium. Londinium. Is it clear? So its most famous landmark is the Parliament House. So it is the very famous building of London is the Parliament House. So London is also famous for its preserved museum and monuments. Is it clear? So another beautiful thing is the beautiful thing is or you can say building is the London Museum, and you can see this is the picture of official departments of the government. It means that it is the picture of Parliament House of the London, and this picture is also present in your book on page 33. You can see that this is the actually, this is the palace, the Palace of Westminster in the London. Westminster means the place, the area. The name of the area is Westminster, and is the seat of government where both houses of the Parliament of the United Kingdom are located. Is it clear? So it is the old building of a palace, and I think I told you that in the past there was a kingdom, and there was not a parliamentary government. So there was not the in the past, in the previous centuries, London was the center of the kings and queens, especially queens, and Queen Elizabeth is also present in its palace there. And now the London is a country, a democratic country, but there is also I told you that now with the passage of time, people were aware and they thought that they should have the right to vote. So they started to protest, and with the passage of time, the kings and queens accepted these things all over the world, especially. And now London, it has a parliament as well, and this is the building of parliament where the two houses were present. And what is the meaning of two houses? Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of two houses of the parliament? Yes, AD beta. What is what is the meaning of two houses? Beta Ali, it is also written in your book on in first paragraph on page 33. It is first century AD. Yes, very good, Sharos. I'm impressed. Well done. Upper house and lower house. Very good. So, what is the meaning? अब ये भी बता दें आप, या कोई और भी बता सकता है? What is the Halima? What is the meaning of upper house? शेरोज, अब आप नहीं जरा बताएंगे? Well done, Ali. Well done. Very good. Upper house means, upper house means, yes. No, what are you saying, Rida? Upper house means Senate. Yes, very good. Kainat. The upper house is called the Senate, and the lower house is called the House of Representatives. Well done, all of you, especially Muhammad Ali and Sharoz and Kainat. Very good. I'm impressed, really. क्योंकि बहुत बच्चों को कम ये समझ में आती हैं बातें, लेकिन जबरदस्त, वेरी गुड. सो देर आर टू हाउसेस which are the houses of elected government, and representative means the people of the representatives of lower house are uh, also the member of the national assembly, which is called the where there it is called actually the House of Commons and House of Lords. Remember, all of you, upper house and lower house is a common name, but especially a specified name of the parliament houses of the parliaments in London are House of Lords, which means the Senate, and House of Commons, which means the National Assembly. Is it clear? And the member of the National Assemblies are elected by the votes of the people. Is it clear? So it is, that's why it is called हाउस ऑफ कॉमन. यानी कि ये आम लोगों में से, मुल्क के आम लोग, आम का मतलब ये नहीं कि कोई किसी को वैसे आम कहा जा रहा है कि ये बहुत ही आम सा इंसान है, नहीं. इट मीन्स कि कॉमन पीपल जो कि पॉलिटिक्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते, बट दे कास्ट देयर वोट. वो अपना वोट कास्ट करते हैं और अपने ही जैसे जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होते हैं पॉलिटिक्स में उनको वोट देते हैं और उन्हें फिर नेशनल असेंबली तक भेजते हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड द हाउस ऑफ कॉमन इन इंग्लैंड. इज इट क्लियर? एंड हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स मीन्स सेनेट. वेल डन. So next one is Tokyo. So this is the beautiful, very beautiful pictures of the city Tokyo. So Tokyo is the capital of Japan, and it started as a small village called Edo in the Japanese language. In 12th century AD, Tokyo is one of the largest city in the world, and this city has become one of the finest displays of the modern technology in the world. It is the it is also like New York, the center of financial, educational, and cultural center of the country. Is it clear? So it is also, Tokyo is also the capital of it is the capital of Japan, and it is also like New York is the center of the financial, all the financial activities like educational activities, cultural, and also the every type of activities, theater. Most of the famous theaters are there, museums are there, all of the traditional modern art based activities are going there, and with the traditional theater also. So there is also a theater which is called a traditional theaters, and many dramas are played there, like about their the traditions of the, which are based on the traditions of the Japan. So it is Beijing. So you can see another beautiful picture of Beijing. And Beijing is the capital of, tell me in your chat box. Beijing is the picture capital of which country? Yes. Okay. Beijing is the capital of China. Very good. Well done, all of you. Well done. Okay, this is in your book on page number 34. You can see the very beautiful picture of Monrich and of the Beijing city. And now we have just 5 minutes and we have to discuss this city. And after that we have to discuss the city Moscow. अच्छा बेटा, अगर हमारे कोई सिटीज़ कुछ रह भी जाएंगे तो हम इसे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में इंक्लूड कर लेंगे. So, Beijing is the capital of China. It became the capital of the empire in the days of Kublai Khan. He was the emperor. For some time, Beijing was called Beiping. It has a population of over 19 million, and it is a major tourist attraction because of its many historic sites, including Great Wall of China, including Great Wall of China. So I will conclude my lecture here, and I'm going to tell you the I'm going to tell you the history of China, and inshallah I will include the city Moscow in my next slides because time is too short, and I have tell you about the history of the Great Wall of China. So listen it very carefully. So to the north of China lies the Gobi Desert. The name of the desert is Gobi Desert. So this is the home of the barbarian tribes. Some tribes were lived there with the name barbarian tribes. In the old days, they lived there in the Gobi Desert, and the Gobi Desert was in the north of China. So they often invaded Chinese towns, nearby Chinese towns. They attacked there, killing the people, plundering their properties, and plundering means they captured their properties. So, in order to stop these invasions, the Chinese emperors started to think about building a great wall. So, they started building a great wall to protect their borders so that the barbarians did not capture their properties and did not could not attack them. So that's why they could not attack them again. So they started building a great wall to protect the country's borders. So the construction of this wall started around 210 BC. When this wall started to built, it was started to build around 210 BC. Is it clear? So it is only one structure in the world. It is the only one structure. It is the only structure which can be visible even from the moon. Is it amazing? Yes, it is only man-made structure. It is the only man-made, यानी ये एक ऐसा इंसानी हाथों का बनाया हुआ स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि चांद से भी नजर आता है. कितनी हैरानगी की बात है ना, बहुत हैरत की बात है कि चांद से भी ये नजर आती है. इतनी जबरदस्त ये वॉल बनाई गई है टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर बॉर्डर्स. इज इट क्लियर? सो ये कैसे बनाई गई, यानी ये इन्होंने क्यों बनाई, मैंने आपको बताया. दे वांटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर कंट्री फ्रॉम द बारबेरियन ट्राइब्स which and these tribes lived in the Gobi Desert, and this desert is in the north of China. So borders of the China were not protected by any borderline. So they construct the wall in 210 BC, and I told you that it is very amazing thing that it is the only man-made structure visible even from the moon. ओके बेटा, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. एंड इन तमाम सिटीज़ को इंशाल्लाह हम अपनी क्लास में भी रिवाइज करेंगे, और इसके साथ साथ वहाँ भी मैं आपको डिटेल में डिस्कस करूँगी. एंड इंशाल्लाह आई विल डिस्कस मोर सिटीज़ ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट सिटीज़ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इन माय नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.